this grain and vignetting. So let's start with the grain. The grain adds the noise to the photo. If I increase the amount, like this, we added the noise to our photo. And here you can change the size of the grains. And here we have the roughness. For this photo, I'm going to put the roughness, I think 30 is good. And then the size, we will make it 10. The amount, let's keep it 33. Let's make this fit to the view. And we're going to play with the vignetting. We can increase or decrease. We can play with the midpoint. We have the roundness of the vignetting. We have the feather. And then we have the highlights. For this case, I'm not going to change anything from this one. By the way, we have this one color priority, and we have the painting overlay. I'm going to keep it like this. I'll make it 0. And we are not going to play with this one. So this is all about the grain and the vignetting. I'll see you in the next lesson, and we are going to cover the calibration. See you there.